In this video, you'll learn how to deposit money onto your Binance card. This process involves funding your spot wallet, transferring those funds to your funding wallet, and confirming your card balance to ensure you can make transactions smoothly. Begin by logging into your Binance account. Once you are on the main dashboard, locate and click on Wallet found in the menu. This will direct you to your wallet overview where you can see your balances. To add funds, you have the option to deposit either fiat currency or cryptocurrency. You can do this through various methods such as bank transfer, card payment, or a crypto deposit. After completing your deposit, it is essential to confirm that the funds appear in your available balance, as the Binance card uses these funds for transactions. Next, navigate back to the wallet section and look for the transfer tool. This feature allows you to move funds between different wallets. Select the option to transfer funds from your spot wallet to your funding wallet, as your card may require this funding balance for transactions. Choose the specific asset you wish to use for spending and enter the amount you want to transfer. Carefully confirm the transfer direction to ensure the funds are moved correctly, and then finalize the transfer. After completing the transfer, proceed to the Binance Card section within the app. In this area, you will be able to check your available spending balance. It is important to verify that the correct asset is prioritized for payments. This ensures that the funds you intend to use are readily available when you make purchases or transactions with your Binance card. Once you have confirmed that your card is funded and your balance is sufficient, you are ready to proceed with your transactions. Keep in mind that if you are transferring large amounts, it may take a bit of time for the transaction to process depending on the network congestion and the method used. Furthermore, ensure that your internet connection is stable throughout the process to avoid any interruptions. If you encounter any issues, check your account settings and confirm that there are no restrictions on your wallet or card. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.